rising oil prices that's making Main Street news, and we have Jim Cramer here on Wall Street Confidential discussing why maybe we're a little too bearish on the oil issue.
I've been buying BP. Now, BP obviously yields 5, so that's just a terrific situation because cash is going to be yielding 2. So anytime you can buy 5 and not have credit risk, you should do it. And BP is a company that's been a very poorly run company. They got new management. But when you have oil at 100, it makes a lot of companies that were really bad in the oil business look pretty good. What I find amazing is that oil has gone from 70 basically to 103, and yet nobody's really changed their estimates of where oil is going to be. The major oil companies are still thinking that shouldn't be up here. We got a demand number yesterday for the United States, which says we finally had demand for gasoline go down 1%. Now, wait a second. Gasoline doubled? Gasoline's up 35%, and it only went down 1%. Obviously, this thing is not as elastic as people think. I would emphasize the following, which is that I think oil goes to 125. And you want to invest accordingly. Now, what the pattern has been, you have these big spurts, and then it comes back. And when it comes back, all the bears come out, but no bulls come out when it goes up, which I find is pretty amazing. I don't know anyone who's using a 125 target. No one. I mean, Boone Pickens has been very bullish, and he's not using it. But I am, and I scaled some Conoco. I sold 200 Conoco to buy some BP, and the reason I just did that was because I want some yield support because the market's really bad. But I own some XTO. Foster Wheeler's another company that does really, really great. I picked at that today. Really great at plus 100. BP, what I like to do is when you have a situation where oil or a commodity goes so high, sometimes you buy the worst one because that's the one that is like losing money, and suddenly it just goes. It's like a big battleship. It turns, and then it just goes straight ahead, and that could be BP. But my main takeaway is that that most people feel that oil's up because of speculation. If that was the case, then the actual producers of oil should be able to flood the market at this price and beat the speculators. In other words, take advantage of an artificially high price. If the price is artificially high, there should be companies that can take advantage of it, but there isn't. The reason why there isn't is there's no swing capacity left in the world.
All right, Jim, 125 per barrel?
Yes.
Okay, I'll hold that to you.
Thank you.
This is Wall Street Confidential. Stay tuned for more videos with Jim Cramer.
That's your action point. Take advantage of it.